My August viewers, a warm hello to you all. Assalamualaikum and a splendid day also. Heartfelt thanks for joining me today. First, a few words about me. Nuwwarrah is here, but you can call me Nuwwarrah because that's my nickname. Representing my Bangladesh with pride because Bangladesh beats my soul. I'm much happy in my school. Actually, English is my passion and I spread it with joy, so I'm here. So today I stand before you to unveil the trailer of my channel, and the name of my channel is Nuwwarrah Jaanan. In this channel, you'll learn English in a very simple way, and the main thing is both kids and adults will learn English here together, and you'll pick up the easy English words and phrases from here, and mainly you're gonna learn how to speak with confidence, and I'm gonna show you how the native speakers actually speak so naturally. And I think that's not all, because you're gonna see the most beautiful places around the world. So this channel is a mix of learning and travel. You're gonna learn while exploring the world, and I shall share some travel guides, tips and tricks with you as well. So you're gonna learn English that works in real life. You'll pick up English hacks and travel hacks together, and this channel will pick you up in learning and traveling, so you learn on the go. So please like, share, and hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey.